Hello everyone, Shraddha here. So in this video I will be talking about three purposes of marketing, which is very much important for a marketer. So if you are in marketing, you should have some purpose to do marketing. Suppose if you have produced some product, so what you will be doing with these product that you have produced? You have not produced it to store in your home or in your maybe in your office, but you have produced it in order to sell them out, in order to make some profit. So yeah, there are three important purposes of marketing. First is capture attention, second is after capture attention it would be educate prospects, and third is convert. So let's start with first one, capture attention. Suppose you have produced one product, maybe a lot of product. So what you will be doing next, you will be looking for customers. So you can't do people won't be able to get about or know about your product without creating any kind of awareness. So for getting a lot of customer, you have to create some kind of awareness, or maybe you have to capturing attention from people or from your customers. So you will be maybe making some videos, maybe doing some advertisement, maybe you will be making some poster, maybe you will be doing shout out in social media platforms, and a lot of things, all possible things that you can do to create some kind of awareness of your product. So yeah, first is capture attention. So if you are doing this, maybe lakhs or maybe millions of people will be looking for your product. So at least they are getting, getting to know about your product. So now it will depend upon their needs or maybe on their product. So if you have produced something that will be meeting their expectation, or that is the product that they are looking for, then they will be buying your product. So yes, after capturing attention, second is educate prospects. Suppose if you have produced some product which is very new in the market, and I as a customer, I don't know about anything about the features, maybe about the use of your product. So that would be a kind of waste. So if I have got some news, or I have got your product through some advertisement, and I am making my mind to buy your product, but still I am unable to understand how will I use this product, how this product can add value to my life. So if you are unable to educate your customers, if you are unable to explain your product, then it would be worthless or to produce your product. So after capturing attention, you should be explaining your product, what it is, what will it do, or how can it add value to one's life. So you need to explain all these things. Once you will be explaining these things, and once I can understand, or I can get that yeah, this product is going to add value in my life, then I can buy this product. So yeah, and if it is under my budget, so maybe I will be buying your product. So second is educate prospects. So whatever your product is, you need to educate people, or whatever impressions you are getting for your product, so you need to educate all these people about your product. Then after, suppose millions of impression you have got, and suppose now your audience has got detected to say 1 lakh. So now if you are educating, or if you are explaining your product to these 1 lakh people, so maybe 2 to 4,000, maybe 2 to 50,000 people will be buying your product. So I am just giving an example. So after buying your product, after explaining about your product, maybe you will be explaining about your product to 1 lakh people, because other people don't want to know about your product, they are not at all interested in your product, or they are in hurry. So there may be lot of reasons. In third step, your target or your purpose will be to convert these people whom you are educating into your customers or your clients. So first is capturing attention, second is educating prospects, and last is convert. So firstly, you will be getting a lot of impression here in in your product, and then you will start explaining about your product, how it can add value to one's life. And then if I am thinking that your product is good enough that I can buy, or it will be adding my some value in my life, so obviously I will be buying it. So that's it. So these are 3 steps. So in last step you will be converting your impressions, or say those people whom you are trying to educate about your product, into your conversion, or say your customers or clients. So yeah, that's it for today. I will be coming up, I'm coming in my next video. So yeah, if you have any kind of problem, or if you have any kind of doubts, just let me know. If you want me to come up with some other topic, I will be covering that too. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And also, if you want me to share some internship, or that you want to do like unpaid internship, then just let me know. I will be doing that too, for writing and digital marketing, or say marketing. And yes, if you want to learn some new things, starting from graphic designing, maybe writing, or maybe digital marketing, or say marketing, just let me know. I will be helping you in this. So that's it for today. We'll be meeting soon.